Welcome to the Royal Plate. Today, we're making a rich, creamy, and smoky chicken tikka masala with a special nutty twist. This unique recipe brings restaurant-quality flavors to your home kitchen. Let's get started. Step 1. Marinating the chicken first. Let's marinate the chicken to infuse deep flavors. You'll need 500 grams of boneless chicken cut into cubes. In a bowl, add cup yogurt, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons mustard oil for that signature smoky taste. Mix well and let it marinate for at least 2 hours overnight for best results. Step 2. Cooking the chicken. Let's cook the chicken. You can grill it on a hot pan until slightly charred, or bake it in the oven at 200°C for 15–20 minutes. This step adds that delicious smoky, tandoori-style flavor. Step 3. Preparing the masala gravy. Time to prepare the rich, creamy masala. Heat 2 tablespoons of butter and 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and let them crackle. Now, add 1 finely chopped onion and stew until golden brown. Next, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and cook for a minute. Then, pour in a puree of 3 tomatoes along with a smooth paste of 8 cashews and 5 almonds soaked in water. This will make the gravy luxuriously creamy. Now add 1 teaspoon coriander powder, teaspoon smoked paprika, teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon sugar to balance the flavors. Stir well and let it cook for 10–15 minutes until the oil separates. Step 4. Bringing everything together. Add the grilled chicken to the masala and mix well. Pour in cup of fresh cream, cup of milk for extra richness. Finally, crushed teaspoon of dried fenugreek leaves, kasuri methi between your hands and sprinkle it in. Let it simmer for 5 minutes to absorb all the flavors. Step 5. The secret smoky touch dum method. Here's what makes this dish truly unique: the smoky dum technique. Heat a small piece of charcoal until red hot. Place it in a small bowl inside the curry. Drizzle teaspoon of ghee over it. Immediately cover the pan and let the smoky aroma infuse for 2–3 minutes. This will give your chicken tikka masala an authentic, restaurant-style smoky flavor. Final presentation and serving, and there you have it, our smoky cashew chicken tikka masala. Rich, creamy, and packed with deep, smoky flavors. Garnish with fresh coriander and a drizzle of cream. Serve hot with naan, roti, or basmati rice and enjoy this irresistible dish. Like, share and subscribe. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Royal Plate for more delicious recipes. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Happy cooking!